Good morning students, Saira. Welcome back to the computer session. We will continue our chapter number 2, that is working with Windows 7. In the last session, we have learned what is Window Explorer. Window Explorer is a program that helps in viewing and organizing files and folders on a computer. How to start Window Explorer? Click on the start button and select the computer option from the right pane and you will get the Window Explorer. And we have learned copy a file and how to move a file from one place to another. And we have learned what are the different drives in our computer. In this session, we will learn how to delete a file or folder, how to restore the folder and how to customize the desktop. And we will learn how to create a shortcut icon. In the last session, we have learned how to create a folder. Today we will create a subfolder and in that folder file. Double click on my computer, click on the iDrive, okay, and we are selecting iDrive for folder and select file and new folder. This you have learned, right? So here I am giving a folder name as my files. Okay. Now we will create one more folder. So that is known as subfolder. My files is a folder. In that folder I am going to create one more folder. Double click on that folder and here again new and folder, and we are giving a folder name as 5th A. Okay. So here can you tell me now which one is the main folder? My file. Okay. Now click on the my computer and click on the iDrive. Remember we have created a folder and subfolder in iDrive. Can you see my file is a main folder, in that we have created a 5th A is a subfolder. Yes children. Now okay, understood now folder and subfolder. You can create as many as subfolder. Now we will create a file. Okay. So what is a file? Is a single page, right? So now in that we will open a Microsoft Word. So you can go to the start button, all programs, accessories and Microsoft Word, or just write down that Word. Can you see there Microsoft Office 2007. Okay. Now we are going to create a file. Click on the Office button and you can create a new. Select a new option and select blank document. Okay. As soon as you click on the blank document, you will get a blank page. So this is known as file. Here you will store your all the files and all the text, document, everything you will save in your file. So this is your file. Now we have to save this file in 5th A folder. Click on the Office button, click on the Save As option. Click on Save As option and select the My Compute, that is computer, because here all the drives you can see, and click on I drive, right? So my files, in that my files is a folder, and that folder one more subfolder is there, that is 5th A. Click that and the file name, give the file name. Okay, I will give the file name is page. Okay, so one page or first page. So this is your file name. So I am giving one page and save your file. Okay. Now you are close it, where you have saved your file in the iDrive in the My Files folder and 5th A. You can see now in the iDrive My Files is a folder, again 5th A is folder, there you can see your file. Okay, this way you can save you can create a folder and subfolder and files. Okay, a Word document, right? So what will you do every time? You will go to start button and you will open, right? So that we will create. Last time we have learned, see the, can you see the jump arrow is there? So that is a shortcut. Here I have created a Microsoft Word. Can you see up there a Microsoft Word shortcut key? that is a shortcut icon. Once you open the shortcut icons, okay, every time no need to go to the start button and programs accessories, just you will open the shortcut and you will file, create a new and you will open your file. Okay, now next we will learn how to delete a folder permanently. Okay children. Now in this session we will open a window explorer. Can you see, in the last time we have created 5th B and 5th C folder. Now we will delete the file. Click on the 5th B file and select a delete button from organize, or click right mouse button and delete the folder. Again click right mouse button and delete the file. So this way you can delete your file. Okay. So now again we will open one more folder. So we have already, okay, we will see first recycle bin. Okay, in the recycle bin, can you see it is a deleted folders are there in the recycle bin. Now we will restore the file. We have already learned how to restore the file. So can you see now where it is? From recycle bin, it is my computer and iDrive, right? Can you see here 5th B and 5th C. Now here 5th B and 5th C folder I want to delete permanently. I want to delete. I don't want to put it in a recycle bin. So how will I delete? Select now, okay, and delete, right? Or now you do one thing, select and shift key, use shift key and delete button. Then can you see the dialog box? Are you sure you want to permanently delete this folder? Yes. Okay. Now you don't want to put this folder in your recycle bin. Select and shift key and delete. Shift and delete. Now open recycle bin and can you see your file is there, folder is there? No, it is permanently deleted. When you want to delete a permanently, so you don't want to restore the file, just shift key, press shift key and select the folder and delete your folder. This way you can delete your folder permanently. So that time you cannot restore your file. Is that clear? Yes children. Now can you see one more folder is there? Now this also you can, yes, okay, you can rename. How to rename? Right click, select the file and right click and rename. Okay. So cut, you can do cut and you can do a paste, right. So this way again you can see here, okay, the file is not there. Okay. So I think all of you understood how to do copy paste, how to delete a folder, okay, with the help of shift key also. Is that clear now? So you want to open a folder, double click on that particular folder. Yes children. Now we will learn how to customize a desktop. Okay. Okay. Now we will learn how to customize the desktop. So window is a quite flexible and provides the options of change the setting of desktop. So click on the right click and select a personalize option from the dialog box. So can you see here window color options located at the bottom of the dialog box. So you can select any color or any background from your computer and you can change the desktop background and click on save changes. So this way you can change, you can customize the desktop. Okay. So again you can select the area and right click and personalize, select a personalize and you can select your desktop background and click on close. Okay. So now we will learn how to create a shortcut icon. Can you see that in the last class we have learned, can you see the arrow mark over there, small arrow, so that is a shortcut key. So now we will learn a shortcut, how to create a shortcut. Before that, what is the use of shortcut? So I want to open any application, for example PowerPoint applications. Okay, so how will I open? Every time I'll click on start button and all programs and click on again Microsoft Office, and I will select the programs whichever I want, alright, from the list. So but now today I will create a shortcut for Microsoft PowerPoint. How will I create? In the blank area, click right mouse button and click on new and the select shortcut and click on the browse. All of you know all the programs are in C drive. So click on my computer. Okay, computer icon is there. Double click on to computer to open the computer icon and select a C drive, because all the programs are there in the C drive, right? So and program files. Select program files. After selecting a program file, can you see the Microsoft Office? In that folder all the files are there. So programming files, so Microsoft Office. Okay, and the Microsoft Office, again you can see Office 1.2, right? So select this and you can select a Microsoft PowerPoint from your, can you see the Access is there? And the same thing Excel is there, all the programs are there Excel, but I need a Microsoft PowerPoint. So I will select a Microsoft PowerPoint, I need a shortcut of Microsoft PowerPoint. So I'll select from the list. Okay, scroll the list so that, okay, you can see one by one programs, all the programs are there, whatever is here PowerPoint. Click on the PowerPoint and OK. When you open, can you see here PowerPoint.exe file, that is the executive file. So executable file. So now write the name, or you can use the same name also. I have written PPT. Okay, here already I have created, yes, see that PPT. Now you can just open that file and you can start a PowerPoint. No need to click on every time start button on programs, accessories, Microsoft Office. Okay, now understood how to create a shortcut. So any programs you can shortcut. If you want to delete, just is like a folder, just click there, right click and you can delete the folders or that programs. Children, in this chapter we have learned what is operating system, how to open Window Explorers, how to create a folder, file, how to delete a folder, right, and how to customize the desktop and how to create a shortcut. So we will stop this session. Sai Ram.